Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back, y'all. Good morning. Today is another day of no trades being taken, but we did end up catching the low of the day again. Um, but unfortunately, this time we didn't even get entered. So, I'm gonna just make it real nice and simple. We had this daily gap CE, um, daily fair value gap, right? All right, let's go down to the 4 hour. We had a 4 hour gap here, the fill of it. You see high time frame fair value gap fill. At that, go down even more. See, we have this rejection block here. Start of the rejection block. Go down even more. Actually, I'm gonna just go down to the 1 minute at this point. So we're at the 1 minute, watching price fall, fall, fall. Seen it sweep previous day's low, and on our daily, we were bearish on the day because we in fact did not close above the previous day's high, nor did we sweep it. So I was expecting for previous day's low to be our drawn liquidity, and that's what we saw. So, oh, that's 1 month. All right. So, previous day's low, seen it got swept. We kept dropping with a lot of momentum. At that point, I was just looking farther and farther just to see if we had any, anything to base a trade off of. What we did have, right? We didn't have much structure over here, but we did have our standard deviations lining up, along with a nice rejection block off our standard deviation. So we had this standard deviation right here. And this is like our max extension point. So this is a point where I'd want to see a nice rejection block form to start the reversal. And that's exactly what we got. We got a beautiful rejection wick off of that, close right back outside of the range. So after that, after seeing that, marked out this rejection block and then put my order right on the CE of it. Because after I seen it fill the gap at the bottom here, had our deviation and had a nice rejection, I was like, hell yeah, we're going up with this bitch. And it printed, absolutely printed over 100 points. Full TP for us was 112 points. But if we zoom in, right, we missed our entry by literally 1 tick. 1 tick it didn't fill us by. So if we had left 2 ticks or even 1 tick of wiggle room, we would have gotten filled and would have got a perfect bottom tick of the day. But hey, you can't win them all, right? But after that, my re-entry was going to be off of this inversion fair value gap here, which also lined up with the CE of this fair value gap. So we had that gave me good confluence along with it being a BPR balanced price range. So if I should have, honestly, I should have entered off of that, re-entered, just to try to get a entry today. But can't be mad that I didn't take an entry, because at the end of the day, I didn't take an entry because I want to follow my rules. So glad we followed our rules today. Still, unfortunately, very negative for the week, very negative for the year. Really got to turn it around, start winning these fucking trades. But hey, man, what are you going to do about it? But anyways, that's gonna be it for today. Hope y'all made some money today. Hope y'all enjoy. And I'll catch y'all on the next one. Peace out.